we've just checked in at the Premier Inn in Leicester Square. It's really close to everything. Leicester Square's kind of just over there, Chinatown's there, Soho's over there. But we'll give you a quick room tour. So it's a really kind of small, put together room, and it's not really much of a tour. Here you've got a desk area. So you have your desk, a chair, a lamp. You've got a hairdryer as well and a couple of plug outlets. The bed is quite large actually. I'm quite surprised by the size of the bed. I can't see any outlets on the left hand side. Let's try over here. So there's one outlet down that side as well. For some reason they're always on like that side of the bed over here. We've got some small hanging space, tea, coffee machine, kettle with tea and coffee facilities, TV. We've got a window that you can't open. It's a little blind. And we have got aircon, but we can't figure out how it works yet. We don't think it is working. And the bathroom, again quite small. You've got your shower there. It does come with complimentary kind of like hair and body gel and hand wash on this side with your sink. And we've got a toilet just down there as well. So if you can book ahead for this hotel room, please do, because it can get quite expensive. We've only paid £60 odd, £70 I think it is for tonight. We are in the middle of COVID obviously, but I know around New Year's it gets to about £400 or £500, so make sure you book in advance, and we'll see you later.